Want to translate messages on WhatsApp instantly? Here's a simple way to do it. First, make sure you have the Google Translate app installed on your device. This app allows you to translate messages in any language directly while chatting. Open WhatsApp and find the message you want to translate. Tap and hold the message, then select Copy. Once you copy it, a small Google Translate bubble will appear on your screen. Tap this bubble, and the message will be translated immediately without leaving WhatsApp. This lets you read messages in your preferred language seamlessly, making communication with friends or colleagues easier. You can also translate multiple messages in the same chat by repeating the same steps. This feature is particularly useful for group chats or conversations with people who speak different languages, saving you time and avoiding the need to switch between apps. And that's it! You can now translate WhatsApp messages instantly without leaving the app. If this helped, tap like, comment if you've tried this feature, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.